Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. An appropriate amount of the fourth dimension has slipped through our fingers. This, the Milwaukee cut-off saw, back together, none the worse for wearing. For illustrative purposes, I've removed the guards, not to worry. Not only will I engage my safety squints, I will also use these, the most important safety lesson of all. Wear your Jeffrey Dahmers. That way nobody ever takes you serious. These used to be the ones I bought because nobody would steal them, but now the millennials, no accounting for some taste, think they're cool as frig. We also have a hacksaw and a proper grinder. First up, overzealous pokey bits, what split you open like a cinder block to your Jerusalem Jordans. Never mind that carrot. It's all mine. A little toit there. I had to get creative with the hammer. Yeah. Baby doll picks these ones out special for me. You get into the lunchroom, ask a fella if he likes carrots. Maybe he wants to take a little nibble off the tip of your freshie. Farm fresh orgasmic produce. Look at that well-veined bastard. Got some distal hypospadias of the meatus happening here, and not too many rugae down below. Just the tip. Oh. Seems to work pretty good. Little hot dog into a taco routine here. Oven roasted tomato. Unripened. Where's Jessica Tandy with her fried green tomatoes when you need her? Challenge accepted. Quite a bit slower cut. Way more challenging. Utter fail on the stem. What a stank. Oh, fuck. Carbide abrasive. This retention is left-hand thread. Carbide abrasive wheel. I don't know where you'd ever find the replacement. I had a gander around the homeless death spot. Couldn't find a single. Maybe the supply chain just slow to keep up. If you buy one of these and you hoop this wheel, it'd be a long time getting a new one, I think. Behold, cunt-stained tongue glide, the paragon of materials. Not to worry, it's Honduran. Survey says 5 booster shots out of a passport. Ain't too skookum, but it's not chintzy as frig. The more thicker the material, the less effective it is. Kind of nice you can change the blades for plastic and so forth, as long as you don't lose this left-hand thread screw. But yeah, EMT, real thin gauge material. I think it'd be the cat's ass, nice and compact. Feels good in the hand. You know, anything thick where you actually got to cut, you're going to get a false economy out of this one. It feels like it's doing all the jobs because it's making lots of noise and lots of dust, but it's slow, it's small, not torquey. You'd be better off just biting a bullet and lugging this thing up the drift. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.